Hello, good evening everyone. Myself Mohit Sharma, founder of We Aware You. We Aware You is a small non-profit organization working for betterment of society. Today, we are with another interactive training session on SSC online platform. We have our speaker Divya Vadekai from DSNLU Visakhapatnam. Divya is currently pursuing BA LLB from NLU Visakhapatnam. She is very intelligent and very kind and very cooperative with her colleagues. She is currently official student ambassador of SSC Online. She is with us. I like to hand over the session to her. Welcome Divya to this very interactive session.
Um, Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, Divya, you are audible. You can start.
Yes, thank you, Mohit, for your kind introduction. Thank you, everyone, for choosing to join this session. So, firstly, as Mohit tells, I'm currently the student ambassador of SEC Online, and today's session is going to be about how you can use SEC Online for research, and also in the next 40 minutes, I'll be explaining you about how to use SEC for your be it research, be it for mood, or be it for your internships. Um, so firstly, to introduce about SEC Online, it is a platform available for all the e-resources, including case briefs, legislations, and different articles. So without for any delay, let's proceed to the explanation and training of the SEC Online. Mohit, I request you to start the video. Uh, I request the audience, if you have any questions, there will be a Q&A session at the end of this training session. So keep your questions for that.
Particularly useful for your research. So here, as you see, there are certain few tiles in the color of blue. These blue tiles help you when you specifically know what you need to research. And the red tiles will be helpful, when you don't know what specifically to research, but the topic is wide. So, for example, when you're preparing for judiciary, you will be required to read the latest cases, the treaties, the several law reports that has been occurred in the past. So here these rectangles help you in specific like textbooks without where you we can simply find all the details. This is how these rectangles work. And the links here in the gray tiles, they take you to the external sources where SSC Online has several other resources as well. So coming from the start, we'll continue with the blue tiles from the right side, where you can see the options, words and phrases. Words and phrases option is as useful when you wanted to know about, when in the first year, you would be in the legal major subjects, you would be required to know different meanings, legal languages. For example, I wanted to look for audio alternate pattern. You can see maxim, meaning of the maxim and from where it has been taken. Um, Simply for that matter, you can also refer the word quote. As you can see, when I'm typing the code, you can see several other references also that SSC is giving. The spelling of the other words also, court of justice, court of summary jurisdiction. There are several words here. So I'll simply go for court. This clearly is mentioning about the definition of courts in several acts. You can see here Legal Service Authorities Act, Juvenile Justice Care Act, all the acts, and under which section the word court is defined. You can also see there are several cases also this is mentioning. Um, for this you can see there were two kinds of options. That is, one, show the list of words or phrases starting with the typetext, and then show the list of words with the typetext anywhere. So if you choose the first option, you'll find quote where it is first word, and then if you choose the second option, you'll find all the sources where quote is referred. The word quote itself is referred. This helps you, when you need to know about some meaning of the specific words or phrases or legal magazine, this comes to hand. And the other tile you can see in the blue one is find the topic. This will be helpful for the law students or for that matter any academicians. When you're specifically studying a subject and you're for that matter if you're asked to do a project on something, you can simply refer to the specific topic, and for that matter there are subtopics under every topic here that can help you in your projects, research papers. For example, in the administrative law, you're asked to do a project on delegated legislation. You can see that under administrative law, you can see a separate subtopic of delegated legislation. This will bring to you different cases here that where delegation of legislative function is referred. You can see there are around 296 results where diverse notes. Here you can see you can refine your searches also sort by if no you are referring to a largest Cora bench, you can choose this. Or for example, you want only the latest cases, you can choose chronological latest first. That refines your search in a better way so that it becomes easy to you to find the exact what you're looking for. You can see the word D here. This is the digest note, SSC Online. The very good thing about the SSC Online is that it refers several cases and makes notes about it so that as soon as you see the digest you can get to know what exactly the case is. That actually saves time for you and helps you in the quick research. The number 2 here, what you can see is the quora of the bench, the number of judges that took part in the judgment. You can see the judgment date. Also here you can see the case reference search. This will take you to the cases where this specific case has been referred. You can see there are 2 cases that has been referred, that has referred the earlier case. You can also see this exclamation mark. That means this judgment was reversed in another case. As you come here, you can see that this specific case is reversed in E.A. Abu Bakr versus State of Kerala in the 2018. So you can get to know that whether a case is overruled or not. That will help you much so that in internships or anywhere in before the judge itself, you can't take case, overrule case and make your arguments. So this will simply help you save your time and help you do proper research. The next one is find by party name title. So we hear famous cases over news, but we don't know exactly what the. For example, the latest Nirbhaya case that has been so much in the limelight, but you haven't known what is the exact case name. You can see that SSC Online has specifically included this section where you can simply type the word that will lead you to the exact case. So what we say as the Nirbhaya case, this is the exact citation of that case. Mukesh was a State of Delhi 2017. And you can also search by party name. For example, we know that Keshwananda Bharti has filed several cases over the constitution. You can type the word Keshwananda Bharti, and that will lead you to this famous case of Keshwananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. Also, if in case there will be certain surnames or the second names where you're not clear of what is the spelling is. For example, you see the word Chaudhary. It's different, is written differently in different places. So you can simply type the word and you need to keep question mark for the part which you don't know the exact letters. Chaudhary, Chonri. So this is how you will be lead to different search results. And the next is find by citation. So you see, before the online, before the resources were online, made online, all the practitioners, be it academicians or whoever it is, all they need to do is find the case or the case citation in this large book volumes, which is a very tiring and voluminous work. So simply, but still, now this has simplified your work where you can simply find the journal or the report that you are referring to. For suppose SCC cases, I'm referring to SCC cases. You can simply type the citation and you can get it. This this find by citations will be helpful when when your teacher refers to citation name and ask you to number and ask you to read the case. The next one is find case law by section. So you can simply refer to the constitution. For example, I want cases that are under Article 21. You can see it has all the articles, and what I am looking for is Article 21. You will be directed to several. You can see this result has led you to different digest note, judgments, acts, statutes, and ordinances. You can refine your search furthermore with the sort by option filter, where you can see that if you're referring to, if you need cases that are having more than 5 judgments, you can see Cora lodges first. And if you're looking for cases that are recent, which are very relevant, you can choose the chronological latest option first. So this will help further to cut down your search and get accurate results. As you can see, you have multiple options to save the file, to share the file. This option is reference, where as I earlier told, you can find the relevant cases where this was referred, or if whether it is overruled or it's still prevalent. You can adjust the font size to your reading convenience. You have the save options and the email options also. This will be helpful when when you're interning in a firm, and all of them have the access to same SSA online, and you can simply send this link to your associate, where that would be time convenient. As you can see, there are certain parts highlighted where you required that specific search. I searched for Article 21, so all that parts where Article 21 is there, it's highlighted. You can say the same with the highlights or without the highlights according to your requirement. And then you can see word search. For example, so there are certain other very important things here. One is the boolean search. Boolean search is where you can use the word near to narrow down your search. For example, you are looking for cases of murder where gun is used and knife is not used. You need to type murder, not gun, not knife, sorry, not knife, near gun. So this will lead you to cases, all the cases where the murder was happened because of a gun and not knife. So since the sections 299 and 300 of IPC are very vast, you can narrow down your search like this. In the results, you can see there are certain Tagore law lectures also available. and the reports of several committees and commissions. So this is the exclusive content available in the SEC where lectures from the Rabindranath Tagore's school in Kolkata was retrieved, and all the material that has been taught in the Tagore's lectures has been put here. And you can also find the reports of committees and commissions. So coming over to the red tiles here, red tiles is this all the red column will be specifically useful when you are doing when you're preparing for exams or when you're preparing for MOOCs where you know you need a vast knowledge about over the topic. For example, when you're preparing for judiciary, it's very important that you need to know about the reports. If you're preparing for Delhi judiciary, you need to know about the Delhi law report. That's where this part of the SEC Online comes helpful. Browse curated topics. All the subjects that will be here are here. So if you are studying the proper subject of intellectual property, you can see everything under intellectual property, be it copyrights, designs, geographical indications, patent, trademarks. So this will help you specifically over that subject to know about it in vast. Browse law reports. As I'm referring earlier, this will be very helpful to the students preparing for like, judiciary or any other exams. So you have all the journals ranging from state journals to Supreme Court journals. You have every journal that is mostly referred in the SEC that will help you. Next is browse judgments by courts or tribunals. This again will be helpful when you're referring or when you're doing preparing for exam. So if you are doing preparing for Delhi judiciary, you can simply refer to the all the Delhi cases, Delhi High Court cases to one click. You see that there are several judgments of Supreme Court, Federal Courts, Privy Council, High Courts. You can also see the time period of the cases, which will narrow down. Also, SEC Online provides judgments of Supreme Courts of different countries, ranging from Bangladesh to Zimbabwe. The another option is SEC Online also features several historical court decisions, that is the Privy Council's judgment, which again will be helpful to you for your historical history projects or research or exams. So you have acts and rules of several constitutions, central acts, rules, central notifications. You have certain acts of US, UK, South Africa, and several other countries. One good feature about here is you also find the bills which are not yet implemented into acts. You can find them as well in the SEC. Browse articles. This will be very helpful when you're doing the research papers or projects. You have different journals here, ranging from the student journals to the university journals and the law reviews. You can see NALSAR, NLIU, all the NLUD, HNLU, all the journals existing here. And also SEC blog. SEC blog will be taking you there are several articles, several open columns, essays, obituaries, experts corners in the SSC Online. I'll take you further down to SSC blog in the next few minutes. You can also see reports. There are certain fellowships in India, like the Dux Fellowship and the Justice, where you can see different reports by these fellowships. Collected essays is again on the several topics, international contracts, specifically like space laws. As I told earlier, Tagore Law lectures is specifically available in SSC online where you can find the debates and lectures from Tagore School. The next is browsing the secondary material. As we know, secondary material include the bills, the constitutional documents, historical tales, policies, reports, all you can find here. For example, we can see the bills that are passed in Lok Sabha in 2020. As updated as it is, you can see this aircraft bill, everything, national education policy, farmers bill, which has been in the latest controversy for many reasons. You can see all the bills available here. You can also find constitutional documents where the original Constitutional Assembly debates have been enacted here. Next is the browse by treaties. All the bilateral and multilateral treaties that India is been a part of and also other countries you can see here. For example, in the multilateral treaties, let's see about Vienna Convention. You can see the Vienna Convention of Treaties 1986. There are also certain bilateral treaties also available ranging from the alphabet A to Z. Next is the moot court resources. This again will be very helpful to those people who are in the colleges where you guys do a lot of moots. What moot court resources is, you have a very brief moot court memorials of all the moots, national moots, on the winning memorial and also the best memorial of specific. For example, you see DSNLU national moot. You see the earlier moots, the problem, the winning team memorial for the appellant and both the parties. This will help you when you're preparing for that specific national moot. So you know how to do and how not to do. In the gray tiles, you can see several links that will lead you to external links. One is LawNet Singapore. This has, since you know, SEC is operating worldwide. SEC has specific link for law references in Singapore. That is the LawNet, where you can before all the cases, all the legal material of Singapore time. Next is HEEN Online USA. This needs so you can see different library and sources that HEEN Online USA is offering. Next is SCC Online Blog. As I mentioned earlier, SCC Online Blog has several columns that will be helpful to you. So this is the COVID-19 option, which has been recently introduced, where it talks about several topics of COVID related issues. You can see the news option where so you can see all the news, court orders and direction, government orders with related to COVID-19 are present here. The next option is news. You see the events, fact checks, appointments, treaties, whatever is in the news, you'll find here. Up next is the other column. Experts corner, where you can see several experts talking about different laws, policies. Case briefs. So, as I told, digest notes are available in the SEC. Similarly, there are several case notes and case briefs available of different judgments, ranging from Supreme Court to foreign court judgments. Legislations as well, you can see here, which is very short and just. Supreme Court cases, you can see this is the law school news, which is really helpful for the students in the colleges and law universities and NLUs. You have this moot court announcements, different debate announcements, live blogging of the events happening, the conferences, seminars. If there are any call for research papers, achievements, others, I can say that SSC Online blog will be very helpful to you if you are looking forward to do moves, debates, and contribute to the papers. Law Made Easy is where you can get to know this is get to know about your rights, get to know what is the act talking about. For a layman, you don't know what your rights are. So this helps you know this is a very generalized section where you can know about all the rights and everything about law in the layman terms. You can know but several acts like you can see is cannabis legal in India or not, or are you allowed, you can know all those such things. Know thy judge is where you can know the precedence of the judge he has given, the judgment the judge has given, all those things. Interviews is where SEC Online ambassadors and SEC Online team has collecting interviews of legal alumni from different areas. You can see different road scholars giving interviews here. So this will help you have an idea about how they do. IDIA, since we know that Shamnat Bashir has started IDIA, this is a separate column for all the IDIA updates. So you can simply subscribe to the SEC Online and get notifications of all these that can help you stay updated of all the legal news. Coming to the other columns, you can see EBC Learning app. EBC Learning is specifically to the learning opportunity for the times like COVID where online learning has been much in the practice. This will refer you to different certificate courses and several material where you can learn always. EBC Web Store and SSC Online Store is where you can get all the EBC reader books, EBC SEC published books and textbooks and all other judgments and case materials. So that's how SC Online basically works.
So I would like to know if you have any doubts regarding these. Just to mention, most of the colleges have access for SEC online, and for those who don't have access, you can always log into the account and get a free trial for 1 week, so that you can know whether it's useful for you or not, and then later you can subscribe. I'd like to know if you guys have any other doubts.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, please let us know.
Actually, I was asking that where we can find the dissertation in SCC.
Yes, if there are any dissertations in SEC, you can find them in the journal articles portal.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yes. Please let us know if you have any other doubt. Yes. Yes. To access all this content I've shown, you need to first log in, create an account in the SEC Online. All you need to do is go to sseconline.com website and create an account for yourself. Firstly, you can have a free trial run for 7 days. And then if you feel this content, if SEC Online will be helpful, you can always subscribe to it. There are several packages under it, or most of the times universities and colleges offer SEC online in their e-library. That's how you can use SEC online.
Excuse me, I just had one question.
Yes.
So, are there, with law journals, are there also law reviews? Because I have been trying to get this one judgment by Maharashtra Law Review, and it is not available on SSC. So, is there a way, like any other way, that I can get that judgment?
Are you sure you checked it in the law reports column?
Yes, yes, I did. I just
Okay.
checked it again while you were showing us. I checked
Yes,
it
yes.
again. It was still
Um,
so.
yes, I agree. That would be very helpful if you notify SSC online team over this. The team can update over what is the reviews you're asking for.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Vaishnavi, there are some questions which are asked during the registration.
Yes.
We are happy if you give us answer. Okay.
Yes, sure.
Uh, so first question is that do we get any free access to SSC online as we are student and can't afford its membership?
Yes, you can have a 1 week free trial subscription. All you need to do is, as I told, you need to create an account in ssconline.com, and yes, only 1 week free subscription is available.
Okay. The another question is that how we can write research paper using SSC online?
Yes, so you can find several other already existing research papers here, and you can find several. Uh, acts and legislations and secondary material also, like the already discussed reports and all. So that can help you to create a research paper for yourself, or
Okay.
even for
So
that matter, college projects.
okay. Another question asked from one of our participants is that what should be a step-by-step process to start a research on a mood problem?
Yes, mood problem. Firstly, I'll tell that you whatever mood you're doing, search for that in the mood court resources column of SCC online, and then what is the topic? What is the topic of the mood problem? If it is criminal law, if it is administrative law, be it anything, go to the find by topic column and look into the resources that are available over that specific thing, and then you'll get a brief idea on what that is. You can always look for the cases and other articles and find case law by sections, find by there. So through that you can always prepare for your moods. I can see there's a question in the comment section. No student discount schemes. If you are enrolling through your institution, you can always contact with your institution library team. There are many discounts when it comes to when institution is subscribing for SSC online. So if you are looking forward for SSC online subscription, please contact your library team. Where can we access this tutorial? If you are referring to the video I am talking about, we can definitely share the link. I think Mohit can do that.
Yeah, we will share the today's recording with our all the participants. I am sharing the link of registration. Just a second.
There's another question in the comment section. Can we get material for at exam?
Net-
No, you can find no. So I'm sorry, but you can find any other materials regarding. If it is regarding judicial exams or judiciary or legal topics, you can always find them in SEC.
Okay. Is there anyone want to ask any question regarding today's session? They can put their comment in comment section or can unmute yourself.
Mohit will also be sharing feedback form. Please fill that, guys.
The feedback form will be sent to the WhatsApp group. Please do give the feedback of today's session. Thank you, Divya, for coming forward and to clearly define the things in a very simple way. I and my team from We Aware You gives you Very well. Big thank you to you.
Hello.
Thank you guys to join this meeting. Yes,
Yes,
Nikhil.
thank.
Yeah, there is a participant who want to ask some question. Yes, Nikhil, ask the question.
Am I audible?
Yes, you
Yes,
are
you're
audible.
audible.
Yes. Okay, I'm just asking, can I get the dissertation of different colleges here in SCC?
Yes, that depends if whether your college is registered with SCC online to provide the journals and the dissertations.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you, Divya, for such a wonderful interactive session with us.
Yes. Thank you, Mohit. I hope everyone finds this helpful. Thank you all
Yeah.
for joining.
Thank you very much.
Please fill the feedback form that Mohit will send you guys.